Now moving on, the Manipur Students Federation MSF has announced plans to conduct inspections regarding the establishment of preschools and Anganwadi centers, citing concerns over potential misuse of resources on private interests. In a press meet held at the MSF office in Kwakatil Thiamlikai, MSF President Hijam Roshan raised alarm over the suspicious establishment of preschools and Anganwadi centers catering to children aged 3 to 6 years. Roshan highlighted the mismatch in the implementation of point number 7 of the Package of Service for Integrated Child Development Services ICDS, stating that some initiatives may be driven by self-interest. He stressed that classes for pre-nursery, nursery, LKG and UKG were installed and taught in kids care centers for preschool stage without the approval and beyond the guidelines of state government. He further appealed to the government to take necessary action, ensuring accountability and transparency in the provision of essential services for child development.
ubu phangde aduna mari leinaba department na thubu matamda koigi franchise ki makha da hangiba kit center sing amadi masagi private ki hangjariba kit center sing asi mieng sanghogdaba tarbadi ekoigi education gi mayon se karom na charkado no habado koi phangde asina maram orakanda MSF na su makha ta na koi kit center sing koi yengsingani aduga kit center sing na su lenga ki sana kanglon guideline ama laitri bokti kit center sing gi hangbidi bichinaw punamagna kit center sigi phibam singi mawong se koi lengak ta hangna kanda lengaki chana kanglo le kanda hangbinaba MSF ki site gi koi kit center to bidi bichinaw punamakta koi appeal tawjari lengak na su athubada kit center sing yeng changbiu haina su thamjari